Hello, I'm Sundar, product manager for Allegion. I work on access control products for schools, higher education institutions, and government facilities. There. I got interested into this product management field, which has a blend of business point, customer experience, and most importantly, it coupled my technical skills as well. Hence, I got very fascinated towards it and started doing some internship within my company, trying to understand the nuances of product management there. And then it's like a bug. I just got hooked into the product management field right from there. Hence, this is my technical skills or engineering skills help me develop and aspire or help me move towards the product management field there. What got me hooked into this IPL is primarily their focus into the product leadership courses. Hence, this aligned very well to the work that I do. And I felt more connected to the IPL. The discussions that I had here with all the people around got me hooked and connected to the work that I was doing. Hence, as primarily the product leadership, product management and product leadership there. The second part is definitely the practical scenarios that they brought me when I attended few of their initial sessions, where there were lots of practical scenarios. Industry experts who were a part of this faculty and curriculum helped me to better connect myself into this institution, as I was able to relate to the work that I was doing again, and the faculty had that work-related experience as well. Continuously upgrading ourselves is one of the key aspects. This is applicable everywhere. But when you are in a product manager's role, you need to keep on upgrading your skills to the next level. Hence, this is as much important for everybody now with Gen AI coming into picture. Hence, it becomes even more important for us to upgrade our skills constantly, adapt to the newer technologies and scenarios that's being developed there. Customer needs are evolving constantly. Hence, doing a lot of VOC, connecting yourself to the customers is the third most important aspect that I would say. Hence, one is do your homework. The second part is understand the technologies. And the third and the most important is please connect to the customers and understand what do they really need, because the customer needs are evolving day by day, year by year, and we are noticing it very drastically now.